Are you trying to lure a sexy Cancer man? If you're in love with a Cancer man, you've fallen for the teddy bear of the zodiac signs. Cancer is a very loving and caring person. As the most sensitive sign of the zodiac, they do everything with love, which is why they're the most tender lovers. However, attracting a native of this sign is no easy feat. And it may even take some time before he develops feelings for you. If you want to learn how to attract your Cancer man, you are in the right place. Because this video explains everything you need to know how to make a Cancer man fall in love with you. However, before I reveal what it takes to get his attention, I want to tell you about this useful online tool I recently discovered. It's an ultimate guide to win a Cancer man's heart. You can check out this guide by clicking the link in the description box below this video. Perhaps this information will make it easier to seduce that special Cancer. Now, let's begin. Cancer is a real gentle character. Though completely void of aggressiveness, this sign isn't any less subdued. These guys are guilty of building up walls around them in an attempt to protect themselves. As a sensitive zodiac sign, this sign is very intuitive and attentive towards others. A Cancer man appreciates a predictable rhythm that gives him security and reassurance because he doesn't deal with change very well. He needs strong connections in order to move forward because he often focuses on the past. Family is very important to him, which means he'll make an excellent parent. How to attract a Cancer man? These men dream of meeting a partner with lots of maternal qualities. His ideal other half is a little bit of a dreamer and needs to be reassured and protected. This is a sign who places a lot of importance on the home and family, which is why he dreams of meeting a woman who wants children. Earning his trust can take some time because he always wants to be certain of his choice. In order to attract a male Cancer and win him over, he needs to hear that you are sincere, honest and truthful with your feelings. His worst nightmare is being left heartbroken by someone they really liked. If you want to attract a native of this sign and seduce him, you need to open your heart and tell him that you are ready for a relationship. Take control of the situation because he will never make the first important move. How is a Cancer man when he is in love? Although he seems like a cuddly teddy bear, when he is in love, he can become very possessive. He has an almost vital need to be with his partner 24/7 and doesn't like to be very far from his partner for too long. His emotional dependence can sometimes scare or surprise people. On the flip side, Cancer males in love are very reliable, you can always count on them. When he is in love, he'll do anything for his partner. What do Cancer men like? Cancer men like sensitivity, honesty, and traditional values. Above all, natives of this sign appreciate trust and openness. These guys are often timid, which is why they love it when their crush leads the conversations. Although they are normally reserved and introverted, they do like having fun and partying too. Can you make that Cancer man fall in love with you? If you really want to attract that Cancer man, then you need to take my advice. You need to learn simple techniques to make it his idea to chase you, love you and commit to you. It is because most women make mistakes to push Cancer men away. And I know you don't want these things to happen. This exclusive Cancer man secrets roadmap works like clockwork on almost every Cancer man out there. It is without a doubt the most comprehensive guide ever created to attracting, dating, and having a deep, loving relationship with a Cancer man. Try this secret weapon yourself. Get instant access by clicking the link in the description box below this video.